Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to make infographics using Gemini AI. No design skills needed. Creating infographics can be a daunting task, especially if you don't have any background in design. The process of choosing colors, fonts, and layouts might seem overwhelming to many. But what if I told you there's an easier way to create those stunning visuals without having to master complex design software? That's where Gemini AI comes in. With this tool, you can create eye-catching infographics in just a few clicks, even if you've never designed anything before. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make this happen. First, let's get started by navigating to Google. It's as straightforward as opening your browser and typing Google in the search bar. Once you're on Google's site, input Google Gemini into the search field. This will lead you to the results you need. You're specifically looking for the official Google Gemini site, so when you find it in the list, go ahead and click on it. Upon landing on the Google Gemini homepage, you'll notice a plus sign icon. This is your starting point. Click on the plus sign to begin uploading an image. This feature is incredibly handy because the uploaded image serves as the foundation for your infographic design. Essentially, this is the canvas the AI will work with to help you create something truly special. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to create a prompt. Think of this prompt as a way to guide the AI on what you'd like to achieve. It's much like giving it a brief on the type of infographic you envision. You'll be directed to open this setup in what is referred to as a canvas. Here, in this workspace, you'll collaborate with the AI, which is designed to interpret your input and transform it into something visually appealing and useful. After setting up your prompt, the next step is to hit the Submit button. Doing this allows the AI to analyze the elements you've provided. It begins crafting an infographic that is tailored specifically to your specifications. The intelligence of Gemini AI ensures that the content is not only accurate, but also visually captivating. Following your submission, you will see a button labeled Create. By clicking on this button, you're only moments away from generating an infographic that is both informative and attractive. The AI uses sophisticated algorithms to make sure that the final product is aesthetically pleasing and well organized. Finally, you'll want to click on the option labeled Infographic. This is the magical moment where your design truly comes to life. The AI processes all the information you've given it, and just like that, your stunning infographic is ready to go. With no need for complex design software or advanced skills, it's that simple. With just these straightforward steps, you've successfully harnessed the power of Gemini AI to produce a professional-grade infographic. It's a remarkably efficient tool that is perfect for beginners and for those who are pressed for time. So why not give it a try and wow everyone with your newfound infographic making prowess? We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to make infographics using Gemini AI. No design skills needed. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.